Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around Philadelphia. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations. We do destination wedding. We do home decor, milestone celebration, pretty much anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. I am a master certified wedding planner and a certified florist. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. You can see the thing right there at the page. You can follow me on my website at www.lynda, which is LYNDA, perfectcreationsevents.com. That's lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, where you can sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. Yes, I said free, to learn more about my services and also just talk to me about questions that you may have about your upcoming events. If you choose not to go with the service, you don't pay for anything. It's 100% free. And also, you can also sign up for my classes that we provide, wedding classes, how to plan your own wedding, how to decor your weddings if you're doing DIY weddings, and then so you can just please go to the websites to get more information. So today I'm gonna go forward and talk about it because I've been getting a lot, especially with makeup and face and trend. I've been getting a lot of questions and everything, and people telling me to talk about things more in detail. So this is certain things that I work with many photographers, and these are the things that they look for and things that they see and everything. So today we are going to talk about eye makeup that looks great with every brow style. Now, one thing I would say for starters, when you're doing eye makeup, especially for your wedding day, you have to understand two things. There are night makeup and there are day makeup. During the day, you want your makeup to be a little lighter. When I mean a little lighter and a little subtle, a little more natural, because the daylight is just there. You don't want to put a heavy, dramatic thing over your eyes that you just look scary. At night, you want to go a little darker. When I mean a little darker, a little more bolder. Not dark as in the color dark, but you want to be a little more heavier, I should say. You go lighter in the day, like light, more natural, more realistic, and then you go a little bolder in the night because it's darker so you can stand out and see a little bit more. But that don't mean that you should dry your face and kind of make yourself look like a ghost, because people do that. The neck is hair, the face is hair. You got like 500 different complexion going on all at once and it look hideous. So, but we're gonna talk about eye makeup. One of the first things that I love about eye makeup is natural glam. I think, and a lot of people get that misunderstood. When I say natural glam, it don't mean that you don't put no makeup on. Natural glam is like no matter what, it's the tones. And you got the browns, the brown, the subtlery, the fluffier, the more. It add a little drama. It's like you go a little darker in the color, the crease and everything. That you pop a little like a shimmer or sparkle, just a little late to kind of make it give that pretty much to enhance your natural beauty that you already have. Now, I do understand some people need an extra beauty, but I'm saying is that just a little bit more natural, bolder to kind of just set your toner. It don't mean you have no makeup on at all. It just means that you just go with the colors, the earth tone colors, to kind of make it stand. Especially all my sisters, you have those shimmery, those go. It looks beautiful. So natural color glam is one of my top two to go, one of my top, because I feel like you can still add it up and it just look beautiful in your pictures. I love me some natural girl. And of course, bring a little drama. And when I mean bring a little drama, I'm talking about intensify. You go a little darker. And though the lashes, the upper crease, the lips, you got the red, bold red. It's always pretty. Red lipstick. Look, I don't care what complexion your what style. Red lipstick is always a go. There's just something about red lips is that matted, not the shining, like got but the matted look that just look pretty. And then you can go a little darker with the eye, with the black, the lashes, the crease on the eye, something that the whole smoky subtlety look that pop up the highlights in a bit. So I always love a little drama that it can just the eyes a little subtle, and the lips are just spark up. That is always beautiful, and it looks beautiful on, no, like I said, all skin complexion. And also you want to go to the matte lips and the defined brows. And one thing I would say, if you're doing your brows or if somebody doing your, please do not make it so dark. Like you see people start the brows from here and it's like all the way here, and it just looks so dark, like you can't see anything. You just look so scary. So I'm saying more define and your makeup artist. And think about it. When you use a makeup artist, look at the work, please. And sometimes I understand some people ask opinion for other people. Please research different. Look at if you don't know, research other people online. Look at other bridal makeup. You can find little things to look at it. Because sometimes we might be thinking things look good, and when other people look at it, it's like, what the hell were you thinking about? And I understand some people just want to be dramatic and they want to, but not everything look. Please do not look scary on your wedding day. Please don't. But anyway, so what we'll talk about, the define, give it that heavenly, that brown shadow that amplify with the color green, and that increase the hues color, that romantic, that subtle look, the new lips that enhance it. Just you just look so, oh my god, breathtaking, beautiful. There's nothing like a bride who matched from hair to toe, her face, her hair, her makeup, her nails, and everything corresponding. It just look, oh, beautiful. And then also the lashes. Don't forget your nice lashes. Now, ladies, when I'm saying lashes, don't poke so much lashes on that you cannot open your eyes. You're walking around looking like this. Like they're looking at you. Your lashes is so heavy. It's so long. You can still make it fold and still make it look beautiful. Don't make, and someone again, don't make yourself look like a hot mess. I hate to say, but you can still handle hatchet. You can go for the natural ones. You can go for the folder and longer. But when it's longer, I don't mean your lashes should not be here. I don't want to see your lashes there. Like looking where you can barely open your eyes. Your eyes are red because you're so heavy. Once again, you want to pair, and then you want to pair with a nice pink lipsticks and the pretty colors, the thing. So action makeup. That's why you go through the trials and make sure you got the right thing going. And then also you got the soft and smoky. Smoky eyes look so pretty. I don't care what time of the day or night. If you do it right, it looks beautiful. And once it's smoky, smoky and soft. Not smoky and dramatic like you kind of look like you're going to a haunted house. So you want to make sure that your makeup look perfect, your eyes, because the thing about it, you got to think about, you got your pictures, you got lighting that always going to come up. So you want to make sure that you have, that you look right. You cannot change this moment. Some makeup that you think you do by yourself, and I know sometimes there's a lot of YouTube tutorial and everybody feel like invest in a good makeup artist. Get that whole thing going on that you have to make sure that you look great on your wedding day. Please, 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 please. And then also the bold brows, something that give it that little subtle. You got your cheeks going on, the highlights of your cheeks, and your brows are a little bold. When I mean bold, I don't mean, like I said, bright or black or brown, where like it can be bold with like a bushy feel, like your lashes a little bit in a folder, your eyeline, your pencil kind of enhance the shade of the natural golden natural color in a little darker shade, but not too dark. And you can pair it with like a nice smoky eyes and the perfect, and it looks so great, ladies. And so I'm saying make sure you look at the, I hope this is really helping you guys, but there's a lot of things to go. And then also you got the dramatic look, all the smoky liner. So you got the smoky liner, the dramatic eyes, and you got the red going on, the colors. It looks, I mean, ladies, it looks beautiful. And you got, so with smoky, there's different kind of smoky. You got the classic smoky, you got a dramatic smoky, you got a soft glow. There's a lot of things. And when you are using smoky colors, you don't want to use like dark, like the black and dark here, and then you got like a dramatic color. Smoky is supposed to blend in. It's like smoke. You don't see it. It make it look pretty. Research your makeup artist, ladies. Research your makeup artist to make sure that they have, those things going on. And then you want to have the golden shadow. You know that glow of the sun when you see somebody, you see them glowing for a mile where you can just look at them like, oh my God, you look so radiant. Like, what do you have? And also, one thing I would say about the radiant, if you start your skincare 6 months before you even get married, trust me, you won't even need to do too many makeup. You won't need to get, because your skin will always be radiant, will be clean. So it's always paid to have those healthy skin regimen going on, because it adds to your skin tone. It adds to the color that you just add a little extra on it. Don't go too much on it. And then also you got the natural beauty. Now for those who don't like makeup, there's some people who just like bare minimal. And I understand some people want to go with no makeup. Please at least put a little bit on. If you're not a makeup person, you can get a little naturally, the little softer look, the romantic look, something more for a wedding day, that kind of basic, but still look pretty. But you still want to put something to enhance your face instead of just looking bare. Because trust me, I know you can have the most beautiful face on this earth. A little something goes a like just give it a little shine. Give something to just enhance it a little bit. And then we got it dark and smoky. And we got the shimmer. I love me some shimmer. And then you got the effortless minimalist, where you got a little, like I said, for those who like the natural, little to mini, you go with the softer tone and everything. And then on top of that, we got the voluptuous glamorous makeup, where when people look at you say, oh my god, that's just old Hollywood, you just look pretty and dramatic and everything just added on there. From your brows and clothes, the nice brown, the radiance color. And then also you can also go deep and romantic, the clean liner, and just add the highlights to your makeup. So there's a lot of things you can do. And you can add your earth tones to your makeup to make it look pretty. So I would say try different looks, try different things and see how it looks. And when you take your makeup, take a picture and give you a real look of yourself. Don't just base on what people tell you. Look at this look and make sure it looks worth for your day. But that is all for the day. Once again, thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gunner. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my website, www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. Thank you and have an amazing day.